Today, let discuss the number of Iceland. So first understand the problem statement. Given an M into N 2D grid which represent a map of ones inland and zero as water, return the number of Iceland. Okay, an Iceland is the surrounded by the water and is a form a connecting adjacent lands horizontally and vertically, means that Iceland can be go or up or down like horizontally vertically but not the diagonally. You have to remember this. You may assume all four edges of the grid all are surrounding by water. Okay, so let's solve this problem. So suppose take this example first. So all the one, if you go like all these one will come in under one. Okay, so one output will be one because number of Iceland will be one. So grid, if you see grid, okay, 1 2 3, so number out will be 3. It is very easy to find that one, but for solving, how to solve this? So definitely we have to cover all the elements in the grid. So we have to do our, like if we are here we have to check here or here, all the adjacent we have to check. So in this case we can apply DFS or BFS. Okay, so first how we can say, like if we don't want to change anything in a particular grid, so in DFS let us suppose we are here and we went there. Okay, so and this we have to mark all the zero. So after that we have to check from other way where we found the one. Okay, so we have to check like for every element. First step, find the one and apply DFS and add the visited element. We have to put the visited element. Why? For visited element is basically we have to tracking like that node is already visited or not. Based upon that we perform our logic. Okay, so let's discuss the code first. You will get the better understanding on this one. So first we have to calculate the number of row and number of columns. So this is the 2D matrix, right? So for let's row, how to found the row equal to grid dot length. Okay, this is the row. And how to find the column equal to grid selected one row and we have to find the length. Okay, now we have to create one extra, one 2D matrix that had the property like that particular element is visited or not visited. So visited equal to array, we have to create new 2D array. Okay, from length, what will be length equal to row. Now we have to fill that array dot column dot fill. Fill means initial value will be 0. Okay, okay, fill. Okay, so and we have to count like how many number of Iceland there, so we have to count equal to 0. So first we have to track the all element equal to 0. Okay, I less than rows I plus plus. It's better you can do like rows and columns. Okay, so okay, rows and for let j equal to 0, j less than equals j plus plus. Now we have to check that if this is already visited or not. Okay, so if check visited, if it is not visited, and okay, and grid, we have to check that element grid of I comma j equal to 1. Okay, in this case we have to increase the count plus plus. Okay, we have to increase the count plus plus, and we have to put the visited element ted I comma j equal to 1, and we have to call the I am doing using DFS. Okay, DFS, what we have to pass? Grid ij row and column number, and we have to pass the visited matrix. Okay, so okay, let's create one function, and the name is the DFS. Okay, in DFS we have to take the grid comma row comma column comma visited. Okay, in this DFS we have to check, like we have to go in 4 direction. Okay, we have to go in like left and right and top and bottom, like so. In if we are going left, okay, if we are going left, for the meaning of row will be same, right? Row will be same and column will be 1. Okay, if we are going to right, row same, okay, and left, row number will be same and column number will decrease by 1. Okay, now top, we are going to up. Okay, in up, row number will be decreasing, okay, and column number will be same. And down, if we are going, row number will be increasing and column number will be same. So total like 4 direction we can go. Okay, just put in the one array of array. So 0 comma 1 in first one, second one 0 comma minus 1, okay, third one minus 1 comma 0, okay, fourth one 1 comma 0, 1 comma 0. Okay, so let's name of directions. Okay, directions. Okay, so now this is the direction where that particular element can move. So let's one for okay, for loop, let we have to check, okay, direction row comma direction column of directions. Okay, so it will give the new direction. Okay, new row. Okay, let new row, what will be new row? New row will be row plus direction. Okay, and new column, let's new column equal to column plus d comma or row, and this is d comma. Okay, now we have to check if that new row and new column is within the grid. If new row greater than equal to 0 and okay, new row equal to greater than new row less than row dot length, it is called like grid dot length. Okay, and same for new column greater than equal to 0 and new column less than grid 0 dot. Now we have checked all the boundary now, and we have to check if and visited of new row and new column equal to 0 and create new row new column equal to 1. If this is the case, we have to set the visited new row and new column equal to 1, and again we have to find the DFS. Now DFS will be grid comma new row comma new column comma visited. Okay, it is applying the new row new column and visited. Okay, now it will cover all the case. Okay, so at the end what we have to return the count. Okay, just rerun the code and let's see how it's working. Okay, it is showing like cannot remains rows. Okay, we forget to update the name of the row and columns. Okay, this comparison appears the unintentional because number type. Okay, it is visited. Okay, I have the whole operator. Boolean cannot be used the index type. Index type, it is showing Boolean cannot be index type. Okay, we are just, this is not the Boolean, right? We have to check the particular 1 second. It is visited comma j. Okay, we have to check the particular value of that element. Okay, let's see what is happening. Okay, this comparison appears on additional grade. Oh, type mistake. Sometimes it's happen, like if you do coding, definitely you will get some error message. Okay, time exceed is going to limit. Okay, so check why this is happening. Grade column equal to 1, then we are putting there here. Okay, and visited equal to 1. You have to check what is happening there. So first you have checked the row and column, and it is I0 rows column visited I comma j grade equal to 1 count. Okay, count plus that's fine, and I plus j equal to 1 grade seems good. Now we are returning count. Let's see in DFS what is the issue. Okay, 0 1 0 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 0. Okay, that is also fine. It is just in DC to row count greater than equal to 0 and new row count less than equal to that length. New row count greater than equal to 0, new row count greater than 0 dot length, and visited. Okay, visited. Okay, okay, we have to check like if visited equal to 0. Okay, no, that's fine. Okay, visited equal to 1, and here that is fine, right? If it's okay, 0 is fine, grade equal to and grid equal to 1. Okay, why it's going to then grid new row new column visited. Okay, so see, all the test cases passed. Let's submit that one and see. Okay, all the test cases passed. So what would be the time complexity of this one? If you see for time complexity, so we have run two for loop and for this number of row, this number of columns. Okay, so and into m. Okay, first this is a column and again we are calling the DFS. So in DFS, if it is covering every element like one by one, if that is happen, then maximum should be order of n into n. Okay, and space complexity is also n into m, because we are storing the data in the visited. Okay, so it is very simple, but you have to traverse all the element in the particular 2D array. Yeah, let's meet in the new next videos. Yeah, please like and subscribe the video. Thank you.